like I said, we are a team. Nobody can expect to play all the time. Nobody should think that he has no chance. If somebody is in our team, he should be always ready to play. I think if we continue like this, and in June, when we'll have all our players back, hopefully, and we will have time to prepare in March for the June matches, because then people should also not forget that we are the only team who played 2 matches away. All teams had minimum 1 home match. We played 2 away. So therefore we are very good in the race.